back to another video with Dumaguete.com. Today, we will show you the famous Budbud of Tanjay City here in Negros Oriental. What are we waiting for? Let's go! Budbud is a Filipino delicacy made of sticky rice that goes well with sugar or hot tablea chocolate sauce. Here in Negros Oriental, the best budbud can be found in Tanjay City. Since many years, Tanjay has been the main producers of budbud throughout Negros Oriental.
Ako si Aling Carmelita Torres. Ang akong edad, 67, running 68. Ang akong pagbudbud sa ako pa ni mga katigulangan, hangtod karon. Sunod na ba ako mga anak ako din eh. Muna yung mga specialty diri sa kuan, sa Tanjay.
The first thing you need in making a budbud is the pilit rice or sticky rice. Tanjay harvests their own sticky rice from their field. After the harvest, the sacks of rice are then cleaned and washed properly. After washing the rice, they are drained and placed in a big wok or pot. The coconut milk and sugar are then added to the rice in low heat. The pot is stirred continuously until it is cooked. There are different types of budbud Tanjay City has to offer. There's the plain budbud, chocolate budbud, and mixed budbud. Have you tried eating a budbud before? Did you like it? Let us know in the comments below. All the types of budbud goes through more or less the same process. After cooking, the rice is then divided and placed in banana leaves and wrapped. They are placed in a steamer until cooked and then tied in bundles of freshness and exported to the different areas of Negros Oriental. Have you tried all the types of budbud from Tanjay City? Which of them did you like best? Let us know in the comments below. The budbud from Tanjay City is the perfect Filipino treat that one must try while visiting Negros Oriental. With a few slices of fruits and some coffee, you couldn't ask for more. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click that subscribe button so you will see more in our upcoming feeds. I'm Daisy of Dumaguete.com and see you in the next adventures. Bye!